Hello, dear aspirants. I believe you all are doing good at this point of time, looking for your career and taking your preparation at your best. I, Abhishek Pal, welcome you on behalf of Cropcos to a super informative session on fundamentals of soil science. To be more specific, on the paper of ICAR JRF Physical Science, that is Soil Science 2020. So I have divided the entire question paper into two parts. So today we will commence with part A. We will see the 50 objective questions. We will discuss on them. Simultaneously, I will also inform you about the books and from where the questions were being asked, specifically the sections like soil physics, chemistry, fertility, etc. So we know Cropcos as one of the largest agricultural education platform for both your BSc agriculture program and also for competitive exams for agriculture and allied subjects. So let us start today's session, and straightforward I have highlighted the questions. And first one, the consumption of water containing high level of nitrogen can lead to. Your options are methanoglomia, night blindness, color blindness, scurvy. So correct answer is option A. This particular question, my dear students, is asked from soil pollution chapter, or you can say from the chapter of nitrogen. Okay, book is one book, that is, we know that has the Bible for soil science. Okay, that is the Fundamentals of Soil Science book published by ISSS, or Indian Society of Soil Science. Okay, so that is the primary book that we all need to pay attention on. Next question, the predominant mechanism for gaseous exchange. So this is a question of soil, air and temperature chapter. Okay, so your options are mass flow, contact exchange, ion exchange and diffusion. So in case of gas it is diffusion. Third, essentiality of molybdenum was given by. Your options are A. Sommer, B. Arnon, C. Sprengel, D. Gris. So your correct answer is Arnon and Stout. Okay, so some of the questions from this particular part of nutrients. Okay, there is a chart given in ISSS where scientists, year of discovery and the nutrients required, okay, that is being provided. So you need to look into that. Next is highest category of soil classification is series, type, grade, group, order. Correct answer is order. Okay, so this is a question from, you can say, soil pedology. To be more specific, this is a question from the chapter of soil classification. Okay, next, in general, longer the plant is in contact with nitrate, there would be. Now, this type of questions in physical science, ICAR provides 20 to 30 such questions which are a bit different. Okay, these are very conceptual questions. Okay, so according to me, according to my knowledge, the correct answer will be reduced denitrification. Okay, one piece of advice I would like to convey here: if you are not sure which one is correct out of the followings, then please don't attempt. Okay, otherwise you may lose a mark because there is negative marking. Next, formula of ethane. So the formula of ethane is basically, according to me, it is C2H6. Okay, but here the options are not, they are not having C2H6. Okay, so at this point of time you will just have to see the options and decide which one will be accurate. All right, next, the difference between istic and fallistic surface horizon is in terms of, that is, your options are water, temperature, organic matter, none of the above. So both of them, they are basically differentiated in terms of saturation with water. Okay, so correct answer is A. So this question is also from soil classification chapter, okay, under the section epipedon, or you can say horizons. Next one, which of the following is a aerobic symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria? Okay, so aerobic symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria is symbiotic. Okay, so that will be your symbiotic, means that is your rhizobium. Next, the most important process of chemical weathering. So this we know, this is from weathering chapter, and this particular question is from biofertilizer. Okay, humid climate, arid, temperate, none of the above. So your correct answer is humid climate. Okay, always remember, chemical weathering is not possible without water. So in arid condition or semi-arid condition, there may be lack of water. Which of the following diagnostic horizon is not common in India? Okay, this is also a question from soil classification, that is pedology. Maulic, anthropic, orchic, and umbric. So your correct answer will be anthropic. Maulic, orchic, and umbric, they are present in India. Next is, which is an aerobic non-symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria? So this is also a question from, you can say, biofertilizer or soil microorganisms part. Okay, soil biology से ये क्वेश्चन है. So the correct answer is azotobacter. Next, the most important process of chemical weathering, that is solution, hydration, oxidation, and hydrolysis. So correct answer is hydrolysis. Next, question number 13, which gas is emitted from soil due to rice cultivation? Very fundamental question, we all know the answer. You have nitrogen, then you have methane, sulfur dioxide, and you have C2H2. So your correct answer is which one? Yes, it is CH4, methane. Question number 14, absence of air in the soil limits the activity of. Now you need to understand, this is a general question. Okay, not general, you can say it, this is from submerged soil. Okay, this is a direct question from the book of authored by Dr. Dilip Kumar Das, Soil Science. Okay, Introductory Soil Science. Now here you have to understand the importance of air. Obviously oxidation and microbes also needs oxygen. So your options are microbes, microorganisms, microbes, and oxidation, pollutants. So correct answer is C. Phosphorus in DAP. तो DAP में जानने से पहले what you need to know is the basic composition of DAP. Okay, what is the basic composition? So it is 18, 46, and 0. That is 18 nitrogen, P, K. So your option is, correct answer is option number D. Under saturated condition, water potential. Now here again I told you there are some questions which you need to focus on the options mainly, and if you still find it doubtful, better to unattempt. So here according to me the answer will be 0. Okay, next, chroma represents. So this is a question of soil water chapter. Okay, this is a question of chroma, it is of soil color. Chroma represents, your options are spectral region, whiteness, relative brightness, relative purity. D is the correct answer. So this is a direct question. Next, which instrument is used for potassium determination? Your options are flame photometer, AAS, UVVs, and colorimeter. We all know this is a direct question from soil, you can say it from analytical chemistry basically. Okay, analytical chemistry part. So correct answer will be flame photometer. Next, a surface horizon produced by continuous cropping. Okay, a surface horizon produced by continuous cropping. So your options are Phlegon, Orchic, Umbric, and Anthropic. So correct answer is Anthropic. Next, biological control of wind erosion is, your options are strip, contour, graded, ridge, and furrow system. So your correct answer is strip. Next question, natural aggregates are known as pets, clots, clusters, floccules. So correct answer is option A. This is also a question from, you can say it from soil classification or physical properties of soil. ओके, फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज में कुछ बेसिक टर्मिनोलॉजीज है, कुछ कीवर्ड्स है लाइक पेड्स, क्लॉड्स, रेगोलिथ, प्रोफाइल, होराइजन, बेडरॉक एटसेट्रा. सो यू नीड टू हैव अ बेसिक आइडिया रिगार्डिंग दिस कंसेप्ट्स और कीवर्ड्स. ओके, ये क्वेश्चन आपका है फ्रॉम सॉइल इरोशन सेक्शन. ओके, एंड ये भी क्वेश्चन जो है आपका दैट इज आल्सो फ्रॉम सॉइल क्लासिफिकेशन और यू कैन से soil horizons. Moving on, I hope you all are enjoying the session and you all are marking it down what are the correct answers. You can also mark it down for your reference. Next, major factor controlling nitrate leaching. Your options are concentration of nitrate in soil, quantity of water passing, वाटर होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. सो ये थोड़ा सा कंसेप्चुअल क्वेश्चन है, बट ये जो क्वेश्चन है दिस इज फ्रॉम नाइट्रोजन चैप्टर. सॉइल फर्टिलिटी सेक्शन में नाइट्रोजन के चैप्टर से ये क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है. सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? यस, लेट मी नो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर अकॉर्डिंग टू योर कंसेप्ट. नाइट्रेट जो है दैट इज प्रोन टू लीचिंग. लीचिंग मींस व्हाट? डाउनवर्ड मूवमेंट थ्रू द सॉइल प्रोफाइल इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए सॉल्यूशन. सॉल्यूशन के लिए क्या चाहिए? वाटर चाहिए. सॉल्यूशन इज सॉल्यूट प्लस सॉल्वेंट. सो सॉल्यूट इज आयन, सॉल्वेंट इज वाटर. सो इट विल बी वाटर पासिंग. ओके, सो योर करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी. सो ऐसे कुछ कंसेप्चुअल क्वेश्चंस पूछ लेते हैं कभी कभी, तो हमें इस एंगल से भी स्टडी करना है. हाइड्रोमीटर is used in soil analyzing to determine. Your options are soil moisture, soil hydraulic conductivity, then you have soil texture and then you have soil structure. So your correct answer is, आप समझ ही सकते हो, hydro means water, so it will be none other than your soil HC. Next is we have process of intermixing of soil horizon is known as argillation, horizonation, gleization, pedotarbation. So your correct answer is pedotarbation. This question is from soil forming processes. ये वाला चैप्टर से पूछा गया है. ये क्वेश्चन है आपका सॉइल वाटर से. ओके, when I will conclude, I will enlist the name of books which you should prefer and buy. Moving on, next we have is potential difference between fixed and freely movable part of a double layer in a colloid is. Your options are total water potential, zeta potential, gravitational potential and theta potential. Okay, sorry मैंने आंसर पहले ही बता दिया. Your correct answer is zeta potential. Okay, so ये क्वेश्चन आपका आया है सॉइल कॉलोइड्स के चैप्टर से. वेट ऑफ 1 हेक्टर फरो स्लाइस ऑफ रूट जोन डेप्थ. ये क्वेश्चन तो आप लोग मुझे बताना चाहिए. आई थिंक आप सब मुझे इसका आंसर बता सकते हो. योर ऑप्शंस आर 2.24, 1.5 into 10 to the power 6, 20 into 10 to the power 6, 15 into 10 to the power 6 kg. So basically, as per my knowledge, 2.24, okay, into 10 to the power 6 should be the correct answer. तो यहाँ पे तो 4 नहीं है, so the closest one will be the answer. So option A is the correct answer. Next is soil heat flux is upward during. Okay, ये conceptual question है. This is from soil temperature. Soil temperature part से. तो इसका correct answer आपका होगा midnight. Flux means flow or change. Okay, next one, chemical used to remove organic matter from soil during mechanical analysis is called calcium chloride, hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide and then H2O2. सो आपका कौन सा करेक्ट आंसर होगा? ये क्वेश्चन अभी आपका है, पूछा गया है फ्रॉम फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सॉइल में, ठीक है? तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है H2O2. ओके, CN रेशियो ऑफ नॉर्मल सॉइल, ये क्वेश्चन आपको कहीं पे भी मिल जाएगा इफ यू प्रेफर एनी वन ऑफ द बुक्स फॉर सॉइल साइंस, आइदर इट मे बी ऑब्जेक्टिव, थियोरेटिकल, इसका आंसर डायरेक्ट मिलता है जगह 5:1, 10:1, 15:1 and 20:1. So 10:1 is the accurate hit. Next is E is equal to IRKF CWDB. K stands for, so K, it stands for surface roughness or surface cover, wind barrier or soil textured class factor. So कौन सा होगा? That will be your soil roughness. So this is asked from soil erosion. Okay, this is asked from soil erosion. ये आपका नाइट्रोजन के चैप्टर से आप मान सकते हो. Okay, total nitrogen is measured by Zeldal method, Vaki method, colorimeter and hydrometer. So your correct answer is Zeldal. ओके, ये क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है फ्रॉम नाइट्रोजन एनालिसिस, एनालिटिकल केमिस्ट्री से ये क्वेश्चन है. वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नाइट्रेट स्टैंडर्ड फॉर ड्रिंकिंग वाटर इज 20, 10, 30, 50. व्हाट विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर? ये आपका एक्चुअली ये क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है एंड ये आपका जनरल नॉलेज में भी आता है. ओके, सो योर करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी. ओके, इट शुड बी लेस देन 10. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, biofertilizers are organic matter, green manure, farmyard manure, culture of microorganisms. Obviously हम bio मतलब life से हम समझ सकते हैं कि organisms ही होगा. So option D is the correct answer. ये क्वेश्चन भी आपका डायरेक्ट, ये क्वेश्चन आपका है बायोफर्टिलाइजर्स के पार्ट से और दिस इज ए डेफिनेशन है ये बायोफर्टिलाइजर का. ऑलराइट, आई होप आप सबको समझ में आ रहा है क्वेश्चंस, क्या डेप्थ है, क्या स्टैंडर्ड है, ये मैं लास्ट में बताऊंगा. Till that, just continue, keep continuing to watch till I finish. Next one, stable fraction after organic matter decomposition, Podzol mineralization, humus and immobilization. तो ये conceptual question है. ओके, ये क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है आपका सॉइल ऑर्गेनिक मैटर के पार्ट से. सो योर करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी. ओके, योर करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज option C. Next is your next question is K in Darcy's law is represented by. K in Darcy's law, ये क्वेश्चन भी आपका सॉइल एयर एंड वाटर से पूछा गया है, ठीक है? सो K in Darcy's law, it represents flux density, hydraulic conductivity, hydraulic gradient and hydraulic head. Correct answer is HC, hydraulic conductivity. All right. Next, man-made horizon, man-made, okay, horizon epipattern. Okay, man-made epipattern. Now you see here, please pay attention. Your options are albic, orchic, anthropic, molic. But according to me, or according to the books which I prefer, the answer here, it should be plagen. Okay, it should be plagen, Plaggen. Okay, but here they have not mentioned. So in such case you have to choose the closest option and in case अगर आपको नहीं आया तो you can leave it blank. Okay, तो मेरे हिसाब से इसका करेक्ट आंसर होना चाहिए प्लेगन, जो कि ऑप्शन में नहीं है, इसलिए I have not hit any one of the given options. Okay, moving on. ये क्वेश्चन आपका है सॉइल टेम्परेचर से. Mean annual temperature is 18 to 15. Difference between mean annual summer and winter, ये ऐसा होगा क्वेश्चन. Annual temperature is less than 5. तो in such a case एक टर्म हम यूज करते हैं आइसो. अगर मीन का डिफरेंस बोल दिया तो एक टर्म हम यूज करेंगे आइसो. 8 से 15 means that is मेसिक. So your correct option out of मेसिक, आइसोमेसिक, थर्मिक and isothermic is आइसोमेसिक. यहाँ पे please don't get confused, don't hit mesic, it will be isomesic. software used for spatial data analysis, that is obviously GIS, GPS, IRS, GSM, GIS. So ये क्वेश्चन आपका पूछा गया है from remote sensing chapter. Which nutrient imparts drought tolerance? Potash, calcium, magnesium and sulfur. So your correct option is option C. ये from soil fertility का क्वेश्चन है ये. Okay, moving on guys. Flame photometry is based on the principle of. Okay, now this is a conceptual question. आपने एक चीज नोटिस किया कि जो पोटासियम है इससे बहुत क्वेश्चन पूछा है और नाइट्रोजन से भी. ओके, क्योंकि ये दोनों प्राइमरी न्यूट्रिएंट है एंड दोनों का कंसंट्रेशन प्लांट में ऑलमोस्ट सेम है. ओके, सो दोनों प्लांट में कितने परसेंट प्रेजेंट है? 1 से 5% रेंज. ओके, सो योर ऑप्शंस आर एब्जॉर्प्शन, एमिशन, ESR, IR. करेक्ट आंसर इज एमिशन. Next, which is in situ moisture conservation? Fertigation, weeding, mulching and seeding. So here your correct answer will be your mulching. ठीक है, क्योंकि mulching एक moisture conservation method है. Okay, which is being executed in arid or semi-arid conditions. Okay, moving on. Environment Protection Act was enacted in the year 1988, 87, 86, 85. तो years का आंसर है 1986. Albedo is highest in. Your options are water surface, bare soil, cropped area, ice. Correct answer is ice. ये क्वेश्चन आप मान सकते हो. Albedo means they are talking about reflection, ray. तो ये soil temperature का क्वेश्चन हो सकता है. Zone of elevation. Elevation means washing in. ओके, कौन सा होगा? A, O, B, C. योर करेक्ट आंसर विल बी B. ओके, एंड ये जो है दैट इज LU, E, exit, washing out. This is also a question of soil forming processes. Okay. Next is conversion of salt to gel is known as solation, gelation, filtration, precipitation. So your correct answer is gelation. The number of epipedon found in India. Okay, now what will be the correct answer? Epipedon India में पूछा गया है, टोटल नहीं. 3, 8, 9, 13. Correct answer is 3. Which is not associated with podzolization. Okay, मैं ये भी क्वेश्चन आपका soil classification से पूछा गया है. ये भी क्वेश्चन आपका पूछा गया है कि soil forming processes से podzolization, lateralization. Okay, so removal of SI is the correct answer, जो podzolization के साथ associated नहीं है. Okay, so just recheck this 47 or I'll just confirm you, but most probably B will be the correct answer. Okay, so 48. The unconsolidated material above the parent material. Options are regolith, profile, solam, pedon. Correct answer is regolith, unconsolidated material above the parent material. Okay, last two. Most limiting factor for crop cultivation in desert areas is. Options are water, temperature, both, solar radiation. So desert area means arid and semi-arid conditions. Okay, states of राजस्थान, गुजरात, देन महाराष्ट्र में भी कुछ लोकेशंस आते हैं. ओके, सो ऑब्वियसली इसमें कोई there is no need to think anything else, just close your eyes and hit option A. तो ये क्वेश्चन आपका पूछा गया है, बोल सकते हो कि सॉइल टेम्परेचर, ड्राइनेस से. ठीक है, नॉट एग्जैक्टली बट या क्लोज टू दैट. The last question for the day. Soil of which texture have minimum WHC? WHC means water holding capacity. Your options goes sandy, clay, loam and clay loam. So कौन से टेक्सचर में आपका पोर स्पेस सबसे ज्यादा है? जहां पे पोर स्पेस ज्यादा होगा वहां पे the water will go down. The pores and the soil will not be able to hold on. Why? क्योंकि वहां पे मैक्रोपोर्स है. तो बेसिक कंसेप्ट सैंडी. सो ये भी क्वेश्चन आपका है फ्रॉम फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. ऑलराइट, सो हियर आई कंक्लूड एट क्वेश्चन नंबर 50 from 51 to 100. Next part, I am going to bring it again. Plus, something more special is I will also discuss the general part for ICAR JRF Physical Science. Okay, so I hope you all have concluded something that from which sections multiple questions were being asked. I think you all have got some basic idea how to study and how to make it. Books, first prefer Fundamentals of Soil Science by Indian Society of Soil Science. You can prefer Introductory Soil Science by Dilip Kumar Das. Okay, these two are the primary books. You can also prefer Arun Kathian book Soil Part. That is very important for the general section actually. Okay, multiple questions were being asked from that part in multiple years. You can also prefer A.K. Saha book of Soil Physics basic. Okay, so and one more book is important, that is up to you. Book of J. Sehgal. Okay, that is mainly for pedology, a textbook of pedology. If you study that, your concepts will be clear. You will build up a rock solid concept. Okay, the book is of rocks and your concept is also going to be solid as rocks. Okay, so with these words, I, Abhishek Pal, ICAR JRF holder, postgraduated from Dr. PDK Viakula, worked as an assistant professor, School of Agriculture, GITU. Okay, conclude here till I come back with something more exciting. Keep studying, stay in touch, subscribe to our channel for more classes and updates. Till that, thank you. Make a great day.